AliExpress versus CJ Dropshipping, which is a best supplier for your Amazon, Shopify, and eBay dropshipping. So let's get started. Guys, today I am comparing CJ Dropshipping with AliExpress and we'll figure out that which is a better dropshipping option for you to use in 2021. First, we have AliExpress. We know AliExpress is one of the most famous dropshipping suppliers out there, and CJ Dropshipping is also very famous, but not as famous as AliExpress. You might have heard about CJ Dropshipping, but it's pretty good as compared to AliExpress as well. And when we talk about the dropshipping options and suppliers, the CJ Dropshipping is a wholesale supplier, while on the other hand, AliExpress is a dropshipping supplier that will supply you single product as well. What I'm saying is, in simple words, that if you want to buy something which is just one product. For example, you want to buy this sweatshirt right here. So it's a hoodie actually. So what's gonna happen is that on AliExpress, you can go ahead and order this hoodie for like 500 rupees maybe, which is $10, I guess. So you can go ahead and order this one hoodie if you want to. But when it comes to CJ Dropshipping, what happens here is that you can actually get suppliers, wholesale suppliers. For example, you can actually order a stock of these hoodies. For example, if you are going to sell this hoodie for $10 or $20, you can actually go ahead and buy this hoodie for maybe $5, but you will buy these hoodies in stock, and the supplier will provide you a stock, and you will be able to then sell your product. So that's pretty simple with CJ Dropshipping. And when it comes to CJ Dropshipping and being efficient and fast, well, CJ Dropshipping actually had a little problem in the start of 2020 when everything was falling apart, and when the dropshipping trend and when everything got online, at that time CJ Dropshipping actually had little complications when it came to delivering and doing dropshipping. But now they have actually updated, and now it's running very smoothly. So it's a work in progress, as we can say. But when it comes to AliExpress is, we know that very fast, and not very fast actually, it takes time for the delivery to arrive. But when it comes to dropshipping, when it comes to having a service, when it comes to providing good products, then AliExpress has its name. And the good thing about AliExpress is that you will actually find products that are literally, look at this, they're saying this is for PKR2. If I go ahead and buy this coupon, so you actually get these different sales and options as well on AliExpress, and on CJ Dropshipping as well, you will actually get sales and different offers. So when it comes to categories, you will actually find products and suppliers in almost all categories on CJ Dropshipping. You can see right here the categories are given: computer and office, bags and shoes, and health, women clothing, home improvement, automobiles, and men's clothing, and customer electronics, phone, and accessories. And when it comes to AliExpress, let's check out their categories. You can see right here almost same: women fashion, men fashion, computer, office, customer electronics, bag and shoes, beauty and health, automobile and motorcycles. So pretty impressive. The categories are almost same, because you can find anything on AliExpress and you can find anything on CJ Dropshipping. So that's pretty amazing. When it comes to supplier, both of these are China-based suppliers, so you will be getting your products from China, and they are very cheap as well. And when we talk about the websites, so this is a little strange. When it comes to, you can see the websites, the AliExpress and CJ Dropshipping, they have like similar looking websites. Is it just me, or you think that they are literally the same websites? Because you can see the orange theme and everything like that, but no, they are not related. They are completely different. They're actually rivals. That's why we are doing the CJ Dropshipping versus AliExpress. So yeah, when it comes to services, let's check out what services CJ Dropshipping is actually providing. You can see right here, CJ Platform, product automatic listing, product reviews, importing, product connection, automatic order signing, that's pretty good. Then CSV order uploading, PayPal and credit card payment, that's good. Tracking numbers, fulfillment, shipping tracking, multiple store management. You can actually create more than one store on CJ Dropshipping, that's pretty impressive. Print on demand. CJ Dropshipping also allows print on demand. Mobile app processing, Chrome extension, that's pretty amazing. You can see all of these, services that CJ platform has that are actually pretty amazing. Order fulfillment. On order fulfillment, you can see combine order, split order, bundle SKU, customer packaging, and branding. So that's a good thing about CJ Dropshipping, that they also allow custom packaging. You don't have to, avail any other platform for your custom packaging. And when it comes to dropshipping, most of the people, like, we know when we do dropshipping, we actually use other platforms like Printful or Teespring to do designing. And when it comes to custom packaging, we have to use other platforms as well. But CJ Dropshipping actually allows you to do all of these things in one. Warehousing, that's what I was talking about. You can see worldwide warehouses actually are available. China warehouse, US warehouse, Thailand, Indonesia, Germany, private, and supplier inventory, private inventory. That's pretty impressive. So that's a good thing about CJ Dropshipping, that you are actually getting warehouse access also. And when it comes to shipping, shipping time and price, you can check out right here. Cash on delivery option, that's pretty good. CJ packet, USPS, DHL, special line, dual shipping, packet. So that's pretty good. So when it comes to drop shipping, I think CJ Dropshipping is a pretty impressive platform. So guys, when it comes to AliExpress is actually a marketplace more. So you will actually find a variety of products. And when it comes to drop shipping, we know the suppliers are from China and they are Chinese based suppliers, so they have these different services that are available. The service is pretty good. The delivery actually takes a little time to arrive, but it does arrive and the quality is amazing. That's why AliExpress is one of the best marketplaces out there. And you will find a variety of products right here. And when it comes to variety, I would say that AliExpress has more variety and categories than CJ Dropshipping. CJ Dropshipping is increasing, but AliExpress is already on the top. So that's why it makes it a little more efficient and famous than CJ Dropshipping. But for dropshipping, both of these options are pretty good. If you want to dropship any product from AliExpress, you can do that as well very easily. And when it comes to from dropshipping from CJ Dropshipping, then you can also go ahead and do the wholesale dropshipping from cjdropshipping.com. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. Both of these platforms are actually pretty amazing. When you are looking for a dropshipping supplier, do go ahead and check them both out, and you can then dropship to your Amazon, eBay, or Shopify, or any other platform. I hope that I was a big help to you. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.